Hey, what's up? I'm Aaron. I'm here to do a little bike check for my new 2011, I think, Sunday Fun Day. It's orange, obviously. The last few years I've been pretty much running the same setup. I like what I like, and the only thing that ever really changes, little things here and there. Colors mostly, as you guys probably know. This is the new, I guess, Sun-Kiss orange bike. We have the Nutrient Facts, aka Frame Facts, so it has all your geometry and like top tube length and everything. Some of the newest additions to my bikes, I guess, would have to be my tires. They're coming out soon, or they just came out. The special part about them is they're the computer keys. You know, starting with the grips, we did the grips to the bars, to the seat, which you can see here, the seat rips away and becomes the same color as the bike. But the tires are cool because they actually write on the ground as you ride through water or something. It spells out stuff, so it's kind of something fun, a little bit different that you can't see, so it doesn't annoy you. You can play with them, you can do paintings, you can do whatever you want, but you run it through water on some flat ground, and it reads out all kinds of fun stuff. Like, if you can read this, I'm doing a manual, vote for me for president, go get a snow cone, all kinds of crazy stuff. So pretty much, other than that, I have, you know, 2011 Fun Day, space bars, my signature grips, director forks, always running an elementary stem. I'm stoked for the first time we did a colored elementary stem. Just kind of gives it a real old school feel with the guts inside being black. This is new Chase Hawk sprocket. I actually don't know if I'm supposed to tell you about it, talk to you about it, or you're supposed to see it, but I'm telling you, and no one's gonna stop me. I'm real stoked on it just because for the last few years I've been running the same sprocket, so it's nice to have a little bit of fresh look, something different, and yeah, it has a real old school look because there was an old Odyssey sprocket from, like, I don't know, I don't want to say how many years, but a long time ago, and they kind of copied that, freshened it up, and it's yeah, so go get it. It's Chase's new sprocket. G-Sport hubs, G-Sport rims, 12-bolt cranks, JC-PC pedals, which I had to grind the pins down a little bit just because I don't want to kill my legs and I don't like to be locked into my bike like some people do. The convertible seat post with my seat, but we're actually in the process of working on a new seat. So I think pivotal seat with a tearaway at some point in the near future, which I'm super stoked to get on that boat. The orange is the newest color, obviously, but Etnies is also doing an all orange new number mid, so that's pretty cool. So if you really are into orange, you can match your shoe, your bike, get a shirt, get a jumpsuit, go to jail, do whatever you gotta do to get some orange stuff. I couldn't have asked for a better bike this time. I've only been riding it for a few days, as you can tell. It's brand new. It has no stickers on it yet, so I guess I'll have to give some shout outs. I have to thank Sunday, of course, Odyssey, of course, for all the colors, Fox for clothes, Empire for everything else, S1 helmets, and of course Etnies for this little bitty bike check. Thank you, everybody, and have a great day. I don't know what that's option of pushing back.
Up the Euro. Indian air. Ding, 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 ding. That's a scam.
Thank you so much on the
Hey, it's all good. Hey, sounds good. Hey, I taught him how to do bar steps. Check it out. This is the throwing hand. This one says catch. Pretty simple. Just throw and catch. Right on your hands, you'll get it first throw.
Woodward.